Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Sweden. Part 2. We're in
Nynäshamn.
I don't know if that's correct. We'd love to go to Stockholm. Stockholm is unfortunately an hour away train ride from here, so I'm not going to get up to that point, but we're going to go for a walk again. And I hope my stripes don't fall off. So I'm actually a little bit Swedish. My mother's side is Swedish, and Nord is in her maiden name, but by default I'm kind of Scottish, Irish, Swedish with Mackenzie. And there's your Sky Princess. And there's your Sweden.
Nynäshamn.
It's a nice day. Go for a walk. So this dock that we're ported on is actually a floating dock. It can actually move and change depending on where you're meant to port into or from. So luckily we didn't have to do any tenders today. We can come right in. Very convenient. All right, it's always great coming to the port or the terminal and getting an actual Wi-Fi connection. Being able to update or download apps or things that you need, or just talk with people as well. Send photos, see what's going on in the real world or in Sweden. We can just walk to Stockholm. It's just over there. Stockholm, there's Stockholm right there.
Stockholm.
I didn't know that. Here's the border. Stockholm. And now, I don't know where we are.
Nynäshamn.
Remember, don't get lost. Leave a trail of breadcrumbs. We eat trail mix and snacks. There's a Jysk over there.
Jysk.
There's got to be an IKEA somewhere. Okay, we're going into Lidl?
Lidl.
There's the cereal section. I find it always interesting how some things are just blatantly in English. Like BioCorn, organic flakes. And my favorite, honey hoops. Those are always good. Choco Moons. Cornflakes, of course, staple. But from which brand? Crownfield. Not Kellogg. Please correct me if I'm wrong. This is some jam, and that says
Hallonsylt.
I believe. Torgubbsylt.
Jordgubbssylt.
Sounds about right. Hjortronsylt.
Hjortronsylt.
Pardon my Swedish. I need to check with the ship to see if I'm actually allowed to have a kettle in my room, in my cabin. And if I am, then that would allow me to just make oatmeal every morning, which would be very convenient and very helpful. I'd rather make oatmeal and have some fruit and save some time in the mornings instead of going to the officer's mess. Change it up once in a while. And there we are. 21 Swedish crowns, about 250 Canadian. That's pretty good. I think I'll grab some of that. There's this one as well, which I think is more of like a quick out. I think that'll be perfect. And I just need some peanut butter. So you can see it's kind of a large flake style in there. So like I said, this one's probably the quick out type of style, I think. I don't know. Mild. I don't know, it's all Swedish to me. But for peanut butter, we're back here. Nutella, peanut butter. And here's our natural one. That's the one we want. There's also honey, different kinds of honey. Blossom honey, acacia honey. I'm looking at this one potentially. Nice resealable pack. Success! I finally bought some oatmeal, but no oat milk yet. And some laundry detergent as well. Yes? Oh, that's the dollar store. Ah, yeah. And I just need a kettle for my room as well. Kettle, and then I'm complete. Thumbs up. High five. Good job. Everywhere we go is a gym. This apartment building is very cool. Got a nice little gym in here. Everything you need. So maybe a pull-up bar. And there's a ship right there. I don't know if you can see up there. Nice little homes. Now we're going to the dollar store, which oddly enough is called Dollar Store. Right next to the ISK. Is that a movie theater? Oh, watch your step. Walked right off it. Watch your head. Nice little flower shop. Oh, I just don't know if we're allowed to have plants. Ooh. Have some chilies, some peppers. Now I've lost Ashwin. Ay, Dios mío. You just have to buzz in. I don't know if I mentioned in one of my other videos, but you never really know what you're going to get out of any given port. Sometimes you feel, oh, I should buy this now because I won't have it again. Or I'll buy it in the next port, and then it happens to not be there. Or you end up buying a ton of stuff in one port, and then you find it cheaper in another. So you're always kind of riding that line, but to be honest, you're better off just buying it when you see it. Because you never know if you'll have it in the next one. Doesn't matter if it's cheaper, unless it's something significant, electronic or clothes or something like that. But for toiletries, just buy them. Halloween stuff's out, right? Current date is September 8th. This must be the holiday section to get ready for the next holiday. As soon as the 31st hits, I imagine they'll have all the Christmas things out as well. I used to have one of those. Something similar to that. This place is pretty big. Protein powder. I'm probably waiting till Canada to get it, and then we happen to just cross it right here in the dollar store. But this one you can only use it from Monday to Sunday, so unfortunately, I'm not sure. $20 too. The caramel sea salt. Ooh, actually, you know what? Pancake mix. Wow, these are actually pretty interesting. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Let's go to Elon Musk shop. I'll be right back. I'm gonna check you. Yeah. I doubt they will have a laptop in here for me. This is more like a general kind of electronic shop. I'd be very surprised if they did. That looks like a no. Continues for this elusive laptop. One day. I just put batteries in my watches. They've been dead for quite a while. So thankfully these will be working now. But unfortunately, it was kind of expensive. Just for 2 watch batteries? $25? Seems a bit much. But I'm happy they're fixed now. Souvenir shop, washroom. Heading back to the ship now. Going back on board the Sky Princess, which is right there. Ooh. We're getting back on board. All the board is actually at 6:30 today, even though I've got to be on board very soon to go to a training. And then we'll be on our way to Helsinki. And Helsinki is going to be an interesting port because all aboard time is actually 2:30 in the morning. At 3 a.m. we sail away, which is very odd. Very interesting port will happen tomorrow. Security will have a fun time keeping track of everybody who's on and off the ship at 3 in the morning. But yeah, that'll be fun, visiting Helsinki. But a reminder that a lot of the ports that we are visiting are not the specific capitals or cities that we expect. For example, where we are now, Stockholm is a good hour train ride away from here. And other major cities are not just on the port that we're at. Got to travel a little bit. But tomorrow, Helsinki. There she is. The one and only Sky Princess. Getting back on the gangway. So I can go back to work. Well, got to do a training first. Crisis management training is today, which is very interesting, being led by the fantastic Colin, who's been with the company for a very long time, and he's an amazing trainer. I wish I could record in there, but I'll just have to tell you about it after. Ooh-wee. Back to the cabin now. Gotta get my security card out. Boom, we're in. Ooh-wee. Okay, wow. Leaving Sweden. Thanks for joining me today. It was fun. And I'm gonna update you on my training and everything else in Helsinki and the rest of this tour. So, thanks for tuning in. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscription. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and we'll see you overboard.